This screen is the first screen that users get to when it's time to log in. It should be quite simple to get onto the system. You have to use your level 2 ID and password. So here what I'll do is I'll log in under my name. This here is a small welcome screen, basically just giving some information about things related to the system. One key thing that is important to know is that this application will work best in certain browsers. Right now we recommend Firefox as the primary browser that people use. However, it will also work well on Safari and other similar browsers on the Mac. If you're using Windows, please use Firefox. Internet Explorer is not ideal for this application, at least at this point. So before I actually get into the system, every time I log in, I have to fill out what's called an attestation page. This is basically where I have to tell the system what I am using it for today. We have, at this point, 3 choices. One is an IRB approved research study, another one is an other research study, and then any other reason. If you're doing an IRB approved research study, click on the button, and then you'll get to an area where you have to enter your IRB HUM number. You have to enter the HUM number and press search. If it can find the number and it's a valid expiration date, meaning that it's not already expired, you can get in and the system will log your use for that study. However, if you don't have a valid number, it won't let you go forward from here. If you've entered a number before and you're using it for the same study again later on, you can choose from the area that says choose from a previous study, and that way you don't have to re-enter the number again. Now if I go back here, I can then choose the other research study button to show you what that is. And basically we have 2 choices here. One is a review preparatory to research, which is something that the IRB can allow you to do if you get the right permissions. And then the other one is a study involving only decedents or deceased patients. If I go back again, the last option is any other reason, which I can click on. And we don't have any specific categories here. What we have is a free text box where you can type something in. So in this case, I will type in system demonstration. I'll choose complete. And now I'm into the system.